Let's get nasty. Let's go. Let's go. How's everybody doing? Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. JC says, what's your strategy at the moment? I still think it's the same as what I kind of left over on Discord. Yeah, so I already TP'd a good chunk. I only have 15 Bitcoin left out of the 40, so I'm going to be closing out the long, almost all of it here pretty soon. And then I'm just taking it level by level, brother. Death by crit, another chance to short 24K. Yeah, that's an area that I'm looking at, death by crit. Yeah, there could be like a low 24s. Initially, I was thinking about taking this box, my guy. I was thinking this box was going to be it. If there's a bear div into the box, I'll probably take it. But you know me, right? It better be bare minimum. It better be a 15-minute bear div. Hopefully, it's a 1-hour bear div. So that means that it's probably going to come later today or later tonight, right? Yeah, I'm not going to take a 5-minute bear div. It doesn't look like it's going to be a swing fail. And so the next thing that I would probably do is a 15-minute or 1-hour bear div. I'm going to just go level by level, though, you know. But everybody knows where the golden pocket is, right on the swing high, swing low. Look at where we are. That's why I kind of was thinking about that box, little baby POC. But yeah, this cluster in the low 24s might be a target, too. So I'm going to just take it level by level. And I said in the Discord, I'm not going to get trapped on an early short, you know? So let's go. Let's see if I can spank some TPs. All right. Come on, give me my TPs. Give me my TPs. 10 more Bitcoin left. 10 more Bitcoin left. Tokyo Cannibal, good morning. Plexo, oh, give it up for the Kimba line and the Kimba box. Goddamn. Oh, my God. Come on. Snap diddly. Okay, give it up for the line. Give it up for the line. Give it up for the box. Come on now. Okay, let's go. Let's get a little nasty. Let's go. One more left. One more left, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to get about 125. We're going to get about 125K on this trade. I got one more left. There we go. We're done. Look at that. 125K. I only have 0.001 left. Should I just leave it like this, crypto face style? We're done with the trade. We got 125K, baby. I am gone. Is there a reason for this 3K Bitcoin pump? Did you read the Discord? I think it's we knew where the volume support was on the VWAP on Thursday. We talked about getting into a long on Thursday, right? So you saw the Thursday Discord post, and then I think it's just riding on like the news of the banks getting bailed out and whatnot, and a little bit of a short squeeze. So again, the velocity at which we're pumping is definitely a surprise, and there's no way I could have anticipated it, but the levels are the levels, you know? So 21.635 was the first POC, right? And on Thursday, we were already talking about 21.4, 21.7. That was my Thursday post. So first level of interest on the long, or for it to have a little bit of a recovery pump to turn that volume cluster into resistance is just mathematical, right? Now, exceeding above the POC and blasting through it, I think that was partly like news and partly short squeeze. Not gonna lie, just based off of what I'm seeing, I think we're gonna go higher than 25K. Bulldog says, I think I have some time to go hit the gym. Absolutely, Bulldog. Yeah, like I said, brother, you know, I'm probably looking for like a 1-hour bear div, you know what I mean? And to be honest with you, Bulldog, I think it could take all night to set it up. Remember how long this bear div took? or excuse me, the bull div took, the triple bull div on the hourly, you know. You remember when we were looking at, okay, bare minimum, I want a 15-minute bull div. That'd be the only time I would actually start to get interested. You had a 1 hour triple bull div. I don't like to take these. I rather have it confirm and make a higher high, right? Once it makes a higher high and I see a localized top, what do? I pull from swing high, swing low. That's Kimba box. Perfect. Did you know that? Yeah, so I'll probably do the same exact thing again to the reverse. You know, I can either front run and try to take some sort of triple div, or I can let it make a lower low, have it pull back to the golden pocket, and then enter there too. Lots of different, depends on the risk reward. Is the confluence with S&P there? What does S&P look like? How much risk am I taking by front running on this first? Type of shit. All right, well, let's close the trade. We got 125,000. We good? Are we good? 125,000 secured. Yeah, I think this is gonna go higher than 25, y'all. I think this is gonna go higher than 25. Not financial advice. Hold on. Actually, you know what? We have enough people.
Big shout out to Kimba gang, man. I want to say shout out to the game community. You already know this. Just so y'all know, Kimba used to be an island boy, but he was so stupid. We had to kick him out. He had the most useless lines, so everything he says is not financial advice, and you'd be stupid to listen to him. We don't want to listen to him, so he had to be out and get out the door. So kick it out, boy.
I'm not done with my phone call yet. But I just want to check something. Okay, all right. I gotta run back. I just wanted to put that swing fail line on there, all right? All right, watch the 15 and the 1 hour. Let's go. I'll be right back.
2 hours later.
All right, I'm done with my work call. Zarkov, what's that red line? I drew it for the sweeper. Just in case it was gonna be a pink. It's that bad boy right there. I was just trying to anticipate how the reaction at the POC would be like, et cetera, et cetera. Yeah, I just have it there for shits and giggles, brother. I think it's gonna go over 25, so I'm not really rushing into anything. Teeny, can we do a little TA I missed today? Basically, I think we're gonna go higher than 25, Teeny. So, Teeny, a couple of things I want you to think about. The first thing is the whole SVB that happened. And the reason why that's kind of relevant is because it impacts what FOMC might do. And I think there was rumblings about a closed-door emergency meeting. I'm pretty sure what they're talking about is, do we delay the rate hike on FOMC? Do we decide now, no matter what CPI or PPI is? Or do we stick to our guns and do what we need to do to curb inflation, but there could be a bank run? So that's number one, I think, is just kind of figuring out what you think they're going to do. Now, they're probably going to be eyeing the CPI super close. I don't know if it's going to be bullish or bearish. I don't know if the number is going to be high or low. But I do think that the initial move is false, Teeny. So as always, I will look for it to scam pump, in which case I will look and wait until it gets to a level, and then hopefully it gives me any sort of smaller time frame edge. Most likely going to be a CVD bear div or a bull div. And if it's scam dump, same thing. So I'll probably take the counter trade. Teeny. I want to try to start the stream bright and early, like hella early. I'm talking about like 5 o'clock in the morning for me type of shit, because I'm going to wait until the last minute to pull the gamma and the gexes for tomorrow. It'll be 5 o'clock. So I'm going to be waking up hella early. And the reason why is because I think there's a lot of people just kind of hesitant to place their bets. And so I want to wait till last minute. I want Asian markets to place their bets. I want European markets to place their bets. And then last minute, I'll just kind of take a look. Yep. But as always, there's really no pressure into trying to play tomorrow. And even, you know, especially on a day like tomorrow, it's going to be small position, you know, small to mid. It's a Fed day, right? So small to mid, tight stop loss. The most like easy trade, easy setup teeny would be some sort of like swing fail, you know, and I'm just kind of eyeballing it right now, but putting entries at like 25.3, 25.4, 25.5, 25.6, you know, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 into it, you know, maybe it's like 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know yet. But if it's going to be like a swing fail, then it's going to be a pretty quick identification. So I would love for it to kind of crab around for the rest of the night. It might do like a golden pocket retrace, you know. So we got this going on. This would be like your immediate range right now. Look at that confluence. You got Binancio Crayola right behind that sort of. I think that's a weekly or a daily. I think that's a weekly. You got Golden Poquito, you know, and that does need to be turned into support most likely for another move up anyways. So, you know, maybe sweep that, bang, you know, maybe chill out for a second and then scam pump in the morning, you know. You know, but I'm also ready for, you know. But I think the initial move is probably false. And I think that's the thesis that I'll play. So I'm just going to keep it real simple. Where would you set stop loss if you're short right now? Oh, man, you're not going to like my answer, though. I don't know. I think you're going to have to stop it out if it makes a high. But that's awkward for you because I'm playing a swing fail. My thing is like, yeah, so I don't know. There's no right or wrong, Dexter, but I think principally, like if you're going by the book, you're supposed to, it's an invalidation if it makes a higher high. You guys make sure you get some rest too, okay? I'm going to try to get on as early as I can, all right? All right. Did I get everybody? Marius, Crispy, Senpai, Mandalo. Let's fucking go bright and early. More Juice Gang. Let's go, Mandalo. Have a great night, Mandalo. Uncommon to stream. That 25K looks juicy. It does, brother. Yeah, we're approaching CPI, so stay safe. Longing or shorting, I'm rooting for each and every one of you guys. It's going to be exciting. You know, if you have a chance to, take a look at the previous CPI dates just so you can kind of prep. Oh, he's doing his little freestyle thing, so let me do this. Volatility incoming in 3, 2, 1. All right, you guys, stay safe. All right, CPI tomorrow. The anticipation is killing me. Have a great night, everybody. I will see you guys in a couple hours. All right, you guys, love you. Peace, everybody.
Listen up, you. Oh, it's the truth I speak. Kimber is my name, trading is my game. Bitcoin is my focus, charge all my guide. Profit is my goal, so I never step aside. It is just mathematics, a few trading tactics. Fibonacci is my mate, golden ratio on my mind. You got to respect the trend, or you'll be left behind. I'm